There's a new 10-episode series on Netflix called Angry People. What's amazing about this show is the familiar Korean names in the cast list. The director is Lee Sung-jin, and I thought he was based in the US. When I looked him up, I realized that he produced The King's Men in Korea. When I watched the drama, I realized that it wasn't just a foreigner doing it. You can see the details that only someone who has lived in the United States can do. I have to say that it's amazing that he even participated in directing and writing the script. The drama is very fresh, if that makes sense. At the big box store, Danny Joe Steve Yeun keeps returning things and then gives up. He's looking pretty upset and his frustration seems to be getting to his head. He backs his car up and a Benz pulls out in front of him, causing a confrontation. He yells at them, "What the hell is this?" and they make threats and drive away. Danny Joe can't take it anymore and gives chase, even running red lights. Unfortunately, he doesn't catch them, but he does manage to memorize their license plate number as they drive away. Danny works in interiors, but he's Korean and his parents bounce from motel to motel. He wants to die more than he wants to live. The early car scene shows what a properly irritated person looks like. The person in the Mercedes is Amy Ali Wing, who lives in a seemingly middle-class home. Whether it's a bad day or a latent personality, she's letting it out. She's a little surprised by her behavior, but also a little pleased. The two of you will never actually meet. They live in different places and have nothing to do with each other. Amy is very polite, well-mannered, and nice to people. She's Japanese, and I think that's probably what they were trying to bring out in the show. I was kind of disappointed when they didn't because I thought they were going to hit it off in a big way. It's a drama, so you might expect something different from reality. Furthermore, Danny was a bit rough around the edges, acting a bit more scared than I thought he would be. If that was the end of it, the show wouldn't be very interesting. Danny finally finds Amy and gets his revenge. I felt like he didn't really do anything, he just quietly watched and waited. Then he takes a really big piss in the bathroom and runs off. When Amy tries to catch him, it's too late, so she memorizes the same license plate number. It only took them both about 3 times to memorize it because they're both so smart. I think the real fun of the drama is how they're going to try and outwit the other from here on out. The Korean title is Angry People, but the original title is Beef, which means to complain. Looking at their behavior, I think it would be more accurate to say that they are angry beyond just complaining.